Hi guys, this is Musa Travel Daily. Today I'm coming with a video. So I was painting this house. Let me show you how it looks like. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Oh, these are the new tiles for the kitchen. Yeah, just painted it right now. Look at that view. So beautiful. So I painted this gray because the owner used to smoke in here. See, so we have to remove all this. This is all smoke. Alright, see, this is all. So we're gonna paint the doors white. This door is gonna be white. All closets are done. All doors gonna be white. All the frames gonna be white. All the doors white. New kitchen is coming. We're gonna paint this white. All windows white to look awesome. You know, gray with white looks beautiful. So this is the living room. No, this is the sleeper room. It's big. Also has like view, escape ramp in case of fire. They use this window pull up and use the stairways. Another window with beautiful view. It has two windows, that window and this window. Beautiful view. All gray. All the doors gonna be painted white and the windows white. So this is the bathroom. We're gonna paint this white. We just put the first coat on. It was bad. We're gonna paint white. We're gonna put new mirror. The mirror was so messed up. A lot of razor blades. A lot of them. I don't need to touch those. I need gloves. Yeah, it looks beautiful. Guys, they're gonna come and clean up all this. Oh, that's my phone still recording. Anyway, so yeah, closet all painted. So all the skirts gonna be white. All the skirts gonna be white. All of them gonna be white. It's gonna be beautiful, guys. White. All skirts white. Yeah. This is the apartment, guys. The door gonna be white. Except we're gonna leave this one the way it is because it covers the cable. This is the TV cable. We don't need to paint that. We're gonna leave it like that. Anyway, I need to end the video here. Thank you for watching. This is Musa Travel Daily. Let's do this, guys. I love this view, man. I love this view. So this view, that's a mechanic. It's where you fix your car. So this room, living room, it took one can of paint. This room, I used a lot of paint because to cover all the smokes. But before we first cleaned, you know, the smoke, you can't clean it perfectly. So yeah. Alright guys, this is Musa Travel Daily. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Peace.